with safety confirmed. What I'm doing here is working through slow, methodical repetitions while testing the real-world application of belly band carry. Belly bands can be quick, but there are things you need to consider when training with them. For example, if you're drawing from a 3 o'clock position, you have to make sure you clear your garment properly. Because you're not drawing from a rigid holster like traditional appendix carry, you need to focus on smooth, consistent movements. Slow, controlled draws clear the garment. Establish your grip. Draw with intention. During this session, I'm also experimenting with the magazine pouch placement on the belly band. I purposely moved the reload pouch farther toward the rear instead of closer to the side to see how it affected access and movement. Right now, I'm moving through the motion slowly. That's intentional. Speed comes later. First, we build consistency. One of the most important lessons in training is this: the gear you carry is the gear you train with. No excuses. Work through the limitations of your equipment and understand both the strengths and the weaknesses of what you're using. Belly bands often include a retention strap. That's great for concealment and retention, but it can add time during the draw in a threat situation. So situational awareness becomes even more important. If you feel like you're entering an environment where a threat may be more likely, you may want to adjust your setup accordingly. During this session, I tested the band both with the retention strap clipped and unclipped. The SIRT laser stayed steady through movement even when I jumped and shifted around a bit. Very little movement and no effect on the trigger press. I'll continue testing it during normal everyday movement just to see how it performs over time.